Software Spring. Presents. How to use WRAPCOLS in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on the WRAPCOLS function. Here are the topics of this tutorial. Intro to WRAPCOLS. Syntax and example of WRAPCOLS function formula. Objectives of using WRAPCOLS function. Intro to WRAPCOLS. WRAPCOLS creates an array of one or more columns from a specified row. WRAPCOLS wraps the data at the specified cell. WRAPCOLS fills extra cells with an error unless you specify a number, text, or a special character for such cells. Syntax and example of WRAPCOLS function formula. Let's look at some examples. Range is a single row to be transposed into one or more columns. WRAPCOUNT is a number which specifies the maximum number of rows per column. PADWIDTH is optional and is text, a number, or special character with which the function fills the extra cells. If this argument is omitted, WRAPROWS fills the extra cells with an error. Objectives of using WRAPCOLS function. To wrap a single row into an array of 3 rows and 2 columns. To wrap a single row into an array of 7 rows and 1 column without using the PADWIDTH argument. Moving forward, we will work on the first objective. In this cell, let me type the WRAPCOLS function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, WRA, and select WRAPCOLS. For range, select this row. Type comma. For WRAPCOUNT, type 3. For now, let's omit the optional PADWIDTH argument. Press enter. Alright, WRAPCOLS has created an array of 3 rows and 2 columns. Note that the maximum number of rows in each column is 3, because WRAPCOUNT was 3. Okay, now, let's work on the second objective. What we need to do now is to just tweak the formula. Pop quiz. What are the ways to modify a formula? A. Double-click the cell with the formula and modify it. B. Click the cell with the formula and modify it in the formula bar. C. Modify the formula in the name box. D. Both A and B are correct. The correct answer is D. Click this cell to modify the formula. Click here, select the WRAPCOUNT argument, type 7, and press enter. Alright, WRAPCOLS has created a 7 by 1 array. The empty cell is filled with an error, because PADWIDTH argument was omitted. Now, let's modify the formula again, to specify the PADWIDTH argument. Click this cell. Click here, and type comma. Type, for example, 3 forward slashes, between double quotes. Press enter. There you go. WRAPCOLS has filled the extra cell with 3 slashes. Quick review. WRAPCOLS function returns an array of 1 or more columns from a single row. WRAPCOLS wraps the data at the specified row number. The WRAPCOLS function formula is: range is a row. Wrap count is row number at which data wraps. Pad width is text, a number, or special character, with which the function fills extra cells. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.